Hello, welcome to my Son de France. Today I have another recipe. Today is make breakfast with me. Today the ingredients will be au gratin potatoes, pork and beans. I have summer sausage. I have toast. I have about 5 pieces, maybe less. This is brown sugar bourbon seasoning for spices. I also have smoky mesquite seasoning. This is grill seasoning for barbecue. And also I have Cajun seasoning. This is salt-free seasoning. The first thing I want to do is open up this can. And I'm going to pour this right on the toast so we can get started cooking the stuff that I need cooked in the oven. And I'm just going to pour this right on the top. It's okay if there's juice because it's toast and it's just gonna make it nice and soft. A little bit more. Like that's fine. And then I'm gonna cut up this sausage right here. See how I can open it. Nice and easy. Right now I'm boiling some water to make the potatoes. So I guess there's a casing on it. And I'm just gonna take this off. Kind of get a thick slice. Just like this. And then we will season everything. So I'll put the brown sugar bourbon on the beans. Just a little bit. And I'll put the smoky mesquite on the meat. Just enough to flavor it. Okay. And then we'll put this in the oven just like this. Here I have the boiling water and I have this Cajun seasoning that I'm going to pour in. Just a little bit, just to add some flavor to it. The gratin comes with cheese. It comes with the cheese sauce mix, so it's already in the pack. So it's just gonna give it a little bit of flavor. And then I'll just open this pack up. See, it comes like that with the sauce mix. I don't want to use a bunch, so I'll just use a little. That looks good. And I'm just going to give this a stir. And I'm going to wait until those potatoes start getting real tender. So I have this pack of cheese mix. I'm just going to add a little bit to the pan. Just like that. Get it nice and moistened, mixed in real good. then I'm gonna go ahead and plate myself some of this food. So I think I'm just gonna put some here. And of course the potatoes. So here it is, guys. Breakfast. And I want to give it a nice taste. So let's dig in, starting with the beans on toast. Mmm, delicious. Next, the summer sausage. Mmm. That's super good. Next, I want to try these potatoes. Cheese on them. Woo. Oh, that is good. This is a good hearty breakfast. Hope you guys try my recipes, and I hope you like them. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon on the next video. My son different. Bye-bye.